Operation Ponytail. I like to apply this after I get out the shower if my hair is wet, or even if, you know, I'm just applying my ponytail. So I get the best ponytail application in the shower because my hair is wet and it's easy to manage. I like to go in with a product that's going to detangle my hair. So I've been using the curl definer recently from Living Proof, and this also is going to define my curls as well. I'm not really concerned with that right now because I'm going to be balling this up and putting on my ponytail attachment or extension. So some products that are staples in my routine for my ponytail is Control and then Eco Style Gel. You're also going to need a brush and an edge brush. Brush my hair. Also, if you guys could recommend any products that helps to grow like the edges back in a little bit fuller, please let me know because I need it. So I like to go in after the fact and just add my gel and everything. A lot of people always ask me how I do my ponytails, and this is how I do them. Like, I literally do them when my hair is wet in general or if I'm in the shower. So I'm gonna just twist this around in the back. This is typically what I do in general as well, just to put my hair in a bun. And no, my edges did not come out from my ponytail. They came out from braids, scalp braids at that. Next, I'm gonna just let this dry down a little bit before I start dealing with my edges. So while this dry down, I wanna let y'all know about this ponytail from Frodeo. I have another video of this on my page. The quality of the hair did not look like this. This is a human hair ponytail, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first attached it and when I first got it, it looked nothing like this. This is giving Brazilian bundle. It didn't look like this. So this is just a reminder to wash your hair before you install it, because you'll be surprised at what it actually has the potential to look like. I'm like super satisfied with this, but I'm also like very shocked and happy. Look at that. Frodeo hair. This is about to look so good. And like I said, you guys could go down my page and see where I used it and attached it the first time compared to now. This just looks really good. I don't know. Look at that. This is too good. Let's pull some edges out and, you know, make this look more appealing. I mean, if y'all don't have this edge control, I don't understand what's going on. This is like the best on the market. It's cleaner than a lot of other brands that we use each and every day. Y'all know the brands y'all be using. It also lays the hairs down really, really well. I personally love that because I love me a very sleek ponytail. I love like wetting my hair and doing ponytails and adding like extensions like the one there, because I know that it's gonna match with my hair really well. All right, so we're gonna be attaching this hair. So pretty, look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm so in love with this. I don't know how I missed it the first time. It comes with a clip and a drawstring. Oh, it has two clips actually. There's one at the bottom, one at the top. Ooh, that feels so secure. Oh, look at that hair, it looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna wrap this drawstring around ponytail. I feel like that's gonna give it even more security as well. And then I'm gonna tuck it under. So pretty. I'm happy with this. This is so cute. Nice little addition to summer. I love this. This is good. Yes, this is really good. So y'all make sure y'all go and pick up these products to get your best ponytail. I'll try to link them all in the comments and probably have one linked in the actual video type. But yeah, so you guys can go ahead and grab that. Have a beautiful day. I hope this helped you guys in figuring out your ponytails. This is like my signature look. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I always get questions, so hopefully this helps y'all out.